Welcome everyone! Here is how to screen record on your iPhone Air. So from your home screen, I want you to swipe down from the far right hand side of the screen. Then you will tap the plus at the top left. Then choose the Add a Control option at the very bottom. And in here, just look for the screen recording option or just search for it and then tap the toggle to add it to your control center and then tap the empty space to save the changes. So you can either tap this one to start recording or you can long press this to customize options, and we'll just start the recording like this. Once the recording has started, to end it, just long press the red button here and then tap stop, and all screen recordings will be saved in your camera roll. Now real quick, YouTube do not promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, thank you for the quick solution. If you did not find this video useful, leave any questions, any concerns, just let me know. I'll try my best to get back to you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.